everyone, I am going to be doing an unboxing today. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, and what I'm going to be unboxing is this. This is the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link. It's essentially a printer that prints your existing photos onto Instax Mini film. I ordered the pink one from Amazon and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up now. It's in a really sturdy box. There's a little USB cable. Here is the instruction manual. Here's the printer, which is actually quite tiny. It's pretty much exactly the same size as the box, a little bit smaller. And then we've got some, I guess it's like warranty information, some other little bits and bobs. And that is all that is inside the box. There are 4 paper things that are inside. One is the user's guide safety precautions. We've also got the limited warranty. We've got a caution note on handling the Instax Mini film pack. And then we have a little glossy flyer for customers in the US that you can join the Instax community. So that doesn't apply to me because I am in Canada. Let's take a look in the bubble wrap bag. This is the printer. Very small, streamlined. It's really nice. It's a nice shade of pink, like a bubblegum cotton candy pink. Really, really pretty. Looks fairly easy to use. When I was taking a look at the box, I didn't notice any details in terms of batteries. So you actually don't need batteries for this printer, but you do need to charge it using this USB cable. So I'll need to find a plug for that. I've gone ahead and plugged the printer in. At first, the Instax logo was flashing red, but it's only been a minute or two and it's already started flashing green. I have started reading the user's guide. I typically have a habit of not reading user's manuals before diving in. I did get to a part where it says to fully charge the printer the first time you use it, so that's going to take a little while, so I will turn the camera off for the time being, figure out how to use the app, and then I will come back on to chat a little more and print that first photo. This printer has been charging for quite a while, and the user's guide I found wasn't super helpful. It does say when this button is flashing green, it means the printer is charging. It kept flashing green, so I assumed it was still charging, but a lot of time had passed, over an hour, and I didn't think it should take that long, so I read the fine print and it had some very kind of like confusing verbiage about the button and the color. So I decided to go ahead and unplug it and try to turn it on. And that is when I was able to successfully pair it to my iPhone. Now I did want to pair both my iPhone and my Android device because most of my photos are on my Android. I'm just gonna try to print something from my iPhone and then maybe I will try again later with my Android. I'm gonna go ahead and load the film now. There's just a little button in the back, a little slider button. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide that over. And then the door just pops open and you can put the film in here. The Link printer does not come with Instax Mini film, so I just bought the regular film that goes into their cameras. It's the same cartridge, so that's great because I have the camera as well, so I can use the same film for both devices. Just gonna open this up. Here is what the cartridge looks like. And I haven't read the instructions that closely, but I'm assuming it's very similar to the Instax camera. So it is pretty much just like plug and play, or I don't know if that's the right terminology, but you basically just pop the film cartridge in and there is a little yellow tabby thing here at the top, and you just line that up with the yellow that's on the printer here. You do have to pop in the bottom first because it's not like an exact fit this way. So I'm gonna pop in the bottom. And it doesn't click in or anything, but the yellow tabs are aligned, so I think we are good to go. I'm gonna close it up now. It's making some noise. And it is working because it is now discharging this this protective cover. So this just keeps the film from being exposed, this black cover. So that is done, and I am ready to use the printer. I'm excited. Okay, so let me turn it on. Just press and hold this button. Don't know if you can see that, but it is changing colors. It's kind of like cycling through a set of colors. I've opened my app and I'm gonna pull up the image that I want to print. I want to print this photo of Truffle, so cute. This is my favorite photo of him. And you can just drag the photo around if you want to change the positioning. I don't think I'm gonna do any sort of modifications to this. There are like text and sticker options, but maybe I'll just print a regular print for now. I don't feel like I need to edit this or color correct this, so let's just see what comes out. So I've hit print and it should be coming out. I don't know if I should hold this up or just let it do its thing lying flat, because it is like position sensitive. Portrait way or the landscape way or upside down, it all provides different functions. So that is very interesting. I'll need to read about that later, but this is already starting to develop. There's one aspect that I do love about the Instax Mini, and as well with Polaroid from the Polaroid days. It's just fun watching the image appear, and he is so cute. So that was really quick and easy. When I turned off the printer, I did notice that the device was no longer connected to my iPhone. So now I'm gonna try to pair it to my Android device, and I'm gonna see if I can print from that as well. And maybe I'll print a different image. So let me turn on the printer. It did pop up on the app, so I guess it can only connect to one smartphone at a time, which I guess that makes sense because my other Bluetooth devices are like that, so I don't know why I thought I could do both at the same time. But it is now paired to my Android. So let me go ahead and find a photo to print. I am going to put a sticker on this because there's a little bit of room, as you'll see in the image after I print it. So you can see here that the image is starting to develop. You can see my little heart sticker that I put on top there. This one is a very bright image. It is quite blown out, I would even say. So it might be a little bit brighter than the one just of Truffle. I had a lot of fun playing with the Instax Mini Link today. I've only printed 2 photos, but I think they turned out great, and I'm very happy with this printer overall. I do have a lot of digital photos that I would love in this format, so having the printer makes it really easy to convert any of my digital images to this little Instax film photo. There is something to be said about the fun surprise of what comes out of the Instax Mini camera, but I also like that I can kind of like control the output using the printer. So I like having both. I will continue to use both, but quite honestly, I do see myself using the printer more. I'm glad I finally opened it. It was easy to use except for that hiccup with me not knowing when it was done charging, but otherwise it's very user-friendly. I barely had to read the user's guide. I'm excited to play with all of the different functions. And that is going to be it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll be back very soon with another video. Until then, please take care and bye for now.